Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I say that the best face mask with orange. We all know that the orange juice helps to make you look young and enhances the beauty of your skin. Drinking orange juice regularly helps to improve the skin complexion of the face by defeating the aging effects. It is good for other skin problems too. Taking orange juice helps to hydrate the skin. Rubbing orange juice on the face is beneficial for cleaning the clogged skin pots and good in the prevention of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and fine lines. The problem of sunburn can be overcome by drinking orange juice. Vitamin C is vital in collagen production, which is responsible for making bones, ligaments, blood vessels, and gives elasticity to the face. And also, the nutritionist suggests that people should take regular orange juice to improve the beauty of skin, hair, and nails. And in this face mask, we use also a compressed facial mask. They bring fast effects in regards to enhancing the skin. The serum is filled with various vitamins and minerals and won't dry out the skin compared to the past type facial mask. The sheet on your face helps the serum to soak in your skin a little longer. So let's start the face mask.